Kagina. Yeah, you cut the onion against the green so it gets those moon, half moons. And in oil, you put like ginger garlic paste, those onions. You put a few slit chilies. And then you let the onion become pinkish, okay, like transparent pinkish, yeah. And then once that's done, you crack open the eggs and just lay them. Then you cover it, you put it on a low flame, and then you let it cook. And then you take your that masala what I told you, it's called Elipai Karam from where I come.